So today's topic is about AC voltage applied to a capacitor. Just 8 points. If you remember these 8 points, you will come to know what's happening in a capacitor when you apply with the AC supply. So the AC source is V, voltage source, Vm sin omega t, and this is capacitance. We all know that Q is equal to CV. Therefore, voltage across the capacitance is equal to Q by C. So the voltage, source voltage is equal to the voltage across the capacitor. So Vm sin omega t is equal to voltage across the capacitor, which is Q by C. Now current is nothing but rate of change of flow of charges. So dq by dt, which is equal to d by dt. Now Q is CVm sin omega t, because Q is equal to, bring the C this side, so you will get Vc. So CVm sin omega t divided by dt. So CVm is constant, differentiation of sin omega t is cos omega t, and differentiation of omega t is omega. Now this omega and c can be written as Vm divided by 1 divided by omega c. This is nothing but Xc, capacitive reactance, multiplied with cos omega t. Now we all know that sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. That is 90 plus theta is second quadrant, sine is positive. 90 means sine will change to cosine, therefore cos theta. Now I is equal to, from this equation, Vm by Xc. What is Xc? 1 by omega c. Xc sine, so this cos omega t can be written as sine omega t plus 90. So where Xc is equal to 1 by omega c. Therefore, the current is equal to Vm by Xc can be written as Im sin omega t plus pi by 2, where Im is equal to what? Vm by Xc. That is Vm by 1 by omega c. Bring this omega c to the numerator, omega c into Vm. Therefore, this I can be written as Im cos omega t, because sin 90 plus theta or omega t is cos omega t. So now you just see this relation and the applied voltage, which is Vm sin omega t. That is, if V is going to be here, then I is leading by 90 degree, because omega t plus 90. That is, in this circuit, the current is leading the voltage by 90 degree. So that's what is drawn here. So if you see here, the current leads the applied voltage, but the magnitude wise, amplitude of the current is less than the voltage. It all depends on the value of Xc. Xc is what? 1 by omega c. Now we will go for the power calculation. So power is equal to V into I. So V, we know Vm sin omega t multiplied by Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. This is current. Now sin 90 plus theta is cos theta cos omega t. So Vm Im sin omega t cos omega t. Now we have the formula sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. That means sin a cos a is equal to sin 2a by 2. Here we have sin omega t cos omega t. That means this can be compared with this. So sin 2 omega t divided by 2 for this. So we have Vm Im sin 2 omega t divided by 2. The average value of one complete cycle for sin 2 omega t is 0. Therefore, this overall average power is equal to 0. That means the capacitance is not going to, the average power delivered to the capacitance is 0. Now, one more point, how to draw the waveform for this current and voltage. First, you draw lines like this, okay. So we know that the current is leading the voltage by 90 degree, okay. That means voltage is lagging. So first you draw the current, okay. This is current. The current maximum is here, okay. Now the voltage is lagging by 90 degree. So voltage will come here, maximum. So the graph goes like this. Okay, so you take from the reference as 0. So at 0 this current is maximum, that is, and the voltage is lagging by 90 degree. That's how I have drawn for this diagram. That's all about AC voltage applied to a capacitor. Um, and the average power for this circuit delivered to this circuit is 0 for one complete cycle. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.